Search engine marketing. Search engine marketing, SEM, is a powerful digital advertising model designed to increase website visibility and drive traffic through paid search results. It allows businesses to promote their products, services, or brand by placing ads on search engine result pages, SERPs, or other relevant platforms across the Internet. The primary advantage of SEM lies in its ability to deliver targeted traffic to websites quickly. The core concept of SEM revolves around the pay-per-click (PPC) model, wherein advertisers only pay when a user clicks on their ad. This means that you're essentially bidding on keywords related to your business or offerings, and your ad appears when users search for those specific keywords. The ranking of your ad is determined by a combination of your bid amount and ad quality score, which considers factors like ad relevance, landing page experience, and click-through rate. Platforms like Google Ads, Bing Ads, and social media platforms such as Facebook Ads, Twitter Ads, and LinkedIn Ads are popular channels for implementing SEM campaigns. These platforms offer various ad formats, including text ads, image ads, video ads, and even interactive rich media ads, giving advertisers the flexibility to choose the most suitable format for their marketing goals. One of the key benefits of SEM is that it provides instant visibility for your business on relevant search queries. Unlike organic search engine optimization, SEO, which takes time to show results, SEM allows you to jump to the top of the search results immediately after launching your campaign. This visibility is especially crucial for new businesses trying to establish their online presence or for time-sensitive promotions. When setting up an SEM campaign, it is essential to define clear objectives and goals. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, boost online sales, or improve brand awareness? Knowing your goals helps you craft compelling ad copies and optimize your campaigns accordingly. Keyword research plays a crucial role in SEM success. Selecting relevant and high-performing keywords is vital for attracting the right audience. There are various tools available to help you find suitable keywords and estimate their search volumes and competition levels. Once you've finalized your keyword list, it's time to create your ad copy. Well-crafted ad copies can significantly impact click-through rates and conversions. The headline should be attention-grabbing and include relevant keywords. The ad description should be concise, informative, and entice users to click on your ad. Utilize ad extensions offered by platforms to add additional information such as site links, callouts, phone numbers, or location details, enhancing your ad's visibility and effectiveness. Setting an appropriate budget for your SEM campaign is crucial. You can set daily or monthly budgets, ensuring you don't overspend while still maintaining an active campaign throughout the day. Tracking and measuring the performance of your SEM campaign are essential for making informed decisions. Most advertising platforms provide detailed analytics and conversion tracking tools. By monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, like click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend, ROAS, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your campaign for better results. In addition to traditional SEM, there is also the option of remarketing or retargeting. This technique allows you to show targeted ads to users who have previously visited your website, encouraging them to return and complete the desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. It's important to note that while SEM can be highly effective, it is not a substitute for a well-rounded digital marketing strategy. Combining SEM with other tactics such as SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing can create a holistic approach to online advertising, maximizing your reach and impact. In conclusion, search engine marketing, SEM, is a valuable tool for businesses aiming to increase their online presence, drive traffic to their websites, and achieve specific marketing objectives. By understanding your audience, selecting the right keywords, creating compelling ad copies, and continuously optimizing your campaigns, SEM can yield excellent results and contribute to your overall marketing success. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a unique and fascinating advertising model that revolves around paying commissions to affiliates who promote and sell your products or services on their websites. These affiliates are website owners or publishers with significant traffic or a substantial audience. The idea behind affiliate marketing is to leverage the reach and influence of these affiliates to drive sales and achieve marketing goals. The process of affiliate marketing begins with finding a suitable affiliate platform, such as Commission Junction, CJ.com, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, MaxBounty, and others. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting advertisers, businesses, with potential affiliates. Once you have chosen a platform, you establish the rules, guidelines, and commission rates for your affiliate program. Affiliates interested in promoting your offerings apply through the platform, and you have the freedom to approve or disapprove their requests based on their fit with your brand and marketing objectives. Choosing the right affiliates is crucial, as they represent your products or services to their audience, and their performance will directly impact your sales. Affiliate marketers are incentivized based on the actions they drive for your business. The common types of actions include registrations, sign-ups, purchases, subscriptions, downloads, or email opt-ins. You have the flexibility to decide which actions to incentivize and the corresponding commission rates. When a potential customer clicks on an affiliate's ad or referral link on their website and subsequently performs the desired action on your website, the transaction is tracked and recorded by the affiliate platform. The platform validates the conversion and attributes it to the relevant affiliate. After this validation process, the affiliate is paid the agreed-upon commission for their role in driving the successful action. Affiliate marketing benefits both parties involved. Advertisers can tap into a vast network of affiliates, expanding their reach to a diverse audience without the upfront costs associated with traditional advertising. On the other hand, affiliates can monetize their websites by promoting products or services that align with their content and audience interests. To maximize the effectiveness of an affiliate marketing program, businesses need to provide affiliates with the necessary marketing assets, such as banners, images, and promotional materials. Additionally, maintaining open communication with affiliates and offering ongoing support can foster a successful and mutually beneficial relationship. It's essential to regularly monitor and analyze the performance of affiliates to identify top-performing partners and optimize the program for better results. Some affiliate platforms provide detailed analytics and reporting tools to help track performance and assess the return on investment, ROI, from the affiliate marketing efforts. While affiliate marketing can be an effective marketing strategy, it should be considered as part of a comprehensive digital marketing plan. Combining affiliate marketing with other tactics like SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing can create a well-rounded approach to driving online sales and building brand awareness. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers businesses a powerful way to leverage the influence of other website owners or publishers to drive sales and achieve marketing objectives. By establishing a successful affiliate program and partnering with quality affiliates, businesses can expand their online reach and increase revenue while providing affiliates with a valuable revenue stream.